if you want to use dual recording, record video with both cameras on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your camera. Now you gotta press more right here at the bottom, press more. Here we gotta find our dual rec. So tap here, and as you see, we have both front camera and back camera. We can also select lenses. So ultra wide, front wide, or telephoto, for example. Let's select front and wide. Great, press OK, and it changed. Now to record your video, simply tap on this icon and video started to recording. You can stop it, you can keep on, you can make a screenshot, you can press on stop button to stop this process completely. You can adjust your quality and so on and so forth. When you're done, simply press on dual rec and you will be back to your standard photo mode. Now we can find this video in the gallery as usual. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.